In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to free up gigabytes of disk space on Windows 10 and Windows 11. If your computer has been feeling slow, or you keep seeing warnings that your storage is almost full, this guide will walk you through simple, safe ways to clean things up and get that space back. We'll focus entirely on tools built into Windows, so you don't need to download anything extra. Before we begin, it's always a good idea to quickly check how much space you currently have, so you can see the difference at the end. To do this, open File Explorer, click on this PC, and look at your main drive, usually labeled C. Remember roughly how much free space you see there. Now, let's start with the Disk Cleanup tool. In the Windows search bar, type Disk Cleanup and open it. When the window appears, select your main drive and confirm. Windows will quickly scan for files that are safe to delete. You'll see a list that may include items like temporary files, downloaded program files, and thumbnails. Take a moment to read each description as you hover over the options, and then check the boxes you're comfortable removing. For most people, it's safe to select all of them. When you're ready, click OK, then confirm that you want to delete these files. This may take a few minutes, especially if you've never done it before. Next, let's use storage settings for a deeper cleanup. Open the Start menu, go to Settings, then click on System and choose Storage. Here, Windows gives you a breakdown of what's using space: apps, temporary files, documents, and more. Turn on Storage Sense if it's available. This feature can automatically clean up temporary files and recycle bin contents over time. Now click on Temporary Files in this storage view. Windows will scan again and show you categories similar to Disk Cleanup, plus some extra options, like previous Windows installations or old update files, if they exist. Removing previous Windows installations can free up a huge amount of space, but only do this if you're sure your system is running well and you don't need to roll back. Select everything you want to remove, then click the button to clean them up and wait for the process to finish. Finally, revisit this PC in File Explorer and check your C drive again. You should now see that you've regained potentially many gigabytes of space. If you repeat this cleanup every few months, your Windows 10 or 11 machine will stay lighter, faster, and far less cluttered over time.